Alleviate, meaning to make a problem or suffering less severe. Synonyms: relieve, mitigate, diminish. Antonyms: aggravate, intensify, worsen. Diverse, meaning having lots of variety, very different. Synonyms: varied, assorted, different. Antonyms: homogeneous, uniform, alike. Comprehensive, meaning covering or including everything. Synonyms: thorough, complete, all-inclusive. Antonyms: incomplete, limited, partial.
What's a diverse frog's favorite subject in school? Math, because it loves solving croak-ulations. It may be clumsy at math, but it's still astonishing. Why did the teacher bring a ladder to the classroom? Because it was a comprehensive teaching approach and diverse method to alleviate students' struggle to reach new heights in their learning. Why did the math book bring a ladder to school? Because it wanted to alleviate its problems, provide a comprehensive solution, and climb to the top of the bestsellers list.
In the beautiful experience of life, the most comprehensive journey involves a diverse exploration of our own souls. Resilience will alleviate the pain in the path to self-discovery.
Education shouldn't be a clumsy dance of memorization, but a comprehensive journey into the diverse realms of knowledge. When you stumble, it should alleviate the fall and propel you to the most astonishing heights. In a small, rural village, a compassionate and generous teacher, Ms. Johnson, worked to alleviate the educational issues among her diverse group of students. Her comprehensive teaching approach included special lessons, reaching her students' diverse needs. Their progress was nothing short of astonishing. It alleviated the issue of low education level.
Once, in a comprehensive amusement park, a diverse group of clowns decided to alleviate the boredom of visitors. With their clumsy antics, they aimed to astonish and bring laughter to everyone. However, their generosity of sharing cream pies resulted in an epic, albeit messy, pie fight. The parkgoers laughed until their stomachs hurt.
Thank you for joining us on this language learning adventure. Remember, mastering a new language is like a comprehensive journey, filled with diverse experiences. Don't let the occasional stumble discourage you. Use it to propel yourself to astonishing heights in your language skills. We hope you found these stories, jokes, and quotes both engaging and enlightening. Please like, subscribe, and share to support our channel. Stay enthusiastic and keep laughing, for language is a wonderful, ever-expanding world waiting to be explored. Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.